Everything's up to date in Kansas City. They've gone about as far as they can go. They went and built a skyscraper 7 stories high, about as high as a building ought to grow. Everything's like a dream in Kansas City. It's better than a magic lantern show. You can turn the radiator on whenever you want some heat. With every kind of comfort, every house is all complete. You can walk the privies in the rain and never wet your feet. They've gone about as far as they can go.
Yes, sir! They've gone about as far as they can go.
By the way I talk, you can guess where I'm from.
Kansas City!
Sure.
Kansas City!
Sure.
Kansas City! Kansas City! Kansas City!
Hell yeah.
Everybody say
Yellow time around here. Urban Phenom, B-double-E, Cash Simmons.
You know who it is
for the tip right here.
Cash Simmons,
Come
Yellow
on,
boy. I hold it down for the city that I'm at. That's Kansas City boy in the middle of the map, yeah. And I'm KC stunting. Welcome to the town, homie. You don't want nothing, no. And if you cut me, I would probably bleed. Red and yellow, red and yellow, red and yellow, red and yellow. See, y'all just Indians and we the Chiefs. Red and yellow, red and yellow, red and yellow, red and yellow.
This that classic flow, always the real thing. We ballin' KC in honor of the Kansas City Kings.
Red and yellow, red and yellow, red and yellow, red and yellow.
Definitely in town.
Red and yellow, red and yellow, red and yellow, red and yellow. And if you cut me, I would probably bleed. Red and yellow, red and yellow, red and yellow, red and yellow. See, y'all just Indians and we the Chiefs. Red and yellow, red and yellow, red and yellow, red and yellow. I hold it down for the city that I'm at. That's Kansas City boy in the middle of the map, yeah. And I'm KC stunting. Welcome to the town, homie. You don't want nothing.